Good afternoon, students. So already I have told you to be ready with your supplementary book as well as copy. So today we will be discussing the question answers from the chapters Adventures of Toto. Adventures of Toto. First let us see the exercise questions from your book. After completing the exercise questions, means I will be discussing, I am not going to dictate and you are not going to write down. Okay. So you have to take down the points that whatever I am telling. So after doing this, I will go for the inside questions. So the inside questions, whatever I will tell, that you can write down in your copy. See page number 11. Page number 11, how does Toto come to grandfather's private zoo? How does Toto come to grandfather's private zoo? For this answer, you have to mention 2 points. First point is from whom or from where did grandfather got Toto and why grandfather got Toto. Where he got and why he got. So for where you have to answer, grandfather got Toto from the Tonga driver. Okay, that is the first point you have to add. The second point, he felt that the monkey was quite out of place as he was tied to a feeding trough. Therefore, he decided to bring the monkey and to add it in his private zoo. That will be the answer. Is it clear? Okay. Next, Toto was a pretty monkey. In what sense is Toto pretty? Toto was a pretty monkey. In what sense he was pretty? So here you have to describe the looks of Toto. You can see page number 7. Page number 7, the second paragraph is describing Toto's look. But don't copy down the entire paragraph. Don't copy down. Instead, what you will do, you just mark the parts which you have to add for making this answer. See, mark this part. His bright eyes sparkled with mischief beneath deep set eyebrows. This part you mention. Then about his teeth were pearly white. His teeth were pearly white. That you mention. Then you have to mention about his hands which were very dry, as he was having very dry hands, but the fingers were quick and wicked. Although he was having a dry hand, but his fingers were quick and wicked. Next you mention about the tail. What kind of tail he was having? The tail, he was having a beautiful tail that served as his third hand. Okay, so that's all. Your description will be this much. Don't extend it like too much. Don't go out of 40 words. Make your answer within 40 words. Acha, next question. Why does you are not able to see my video? That is because some network problem is happening. You disconnect and reconnect in the video, then you will be able to see me. Achha, why does grandfather take Toto to Saharanpur and how? So why he took Toto to Saharanpur? First, because the presence of Toto was kept as a secret from grandmother. And next point is that Toto was so much mischievous in nature. Toto was someone disconnected me or I got disconnected. I don't know. Okay, so next point was Toto was so much mischievous in nature that it was not safe to keep Toto at home. Therefore, grandfather took Toto to Saharanpur. Acha. And next is how he took Toto to Saharanpur. So here you have to mention about that black canvas bag that he prepared for Toto, a big black canvas kit bag. He took Toto inside a big black canvas kit bag. That will be the answer. Next is, why does the ticket collector insist on calling Toto a dog? This is one important question. Why does the ticket collector insist on calling Toto a dog? Why he was called a dog? Because the ticket collector wanted to extract a fine. First, the ticket collector wanted to extract a fine for that creature, but as he was unable to categorize him, into any proper valid reason, therefore he insisted on calling Toto a dog so as to extract the fine of a dog. Okay, his main reason was he had to extract the fine for a dog. Therefore, he purposely insisted Toto being a dog. Okay, you just write that part, that will be fine. Next, how does Toto take a bath? Where he learned to do this? How does Toto almost boil himself alive? So you have to mention the bathing episode of Toto. So here you come to page number 9, last paragraph. Page number 9, last paragraph, you will say that a large bowl of warm water was given by grandmother to Toto for his bath. So at first he would check the temperature with his finger. Then he will insert his one foot in that water and then the other, and slowly he will set inside that bowl. Okay, and after that, just like a human, he would rub soap all over his body, on his hands and feet. He will be rubbing soap. After that, you have to mention that once he comes out of the water, he would immediately run towards the kitchen to make himself dry. This will be the answer. And from where he learned this? He obviously learned this by observing or by watching the narrator doing bath. While the narrator used to do bath, Toto used to observe how he used to bath. So Toto learned it from him. So next is, how does Toto almost boil himself alive? So here in a separate paragraph, you have to mention the story of the boiling episode. So how Toto thought to take a bath in the warm water of the kettle, which was kept for boiling tea, and Toto was not able to come out of that water because the temperature outside was too much cold. So he kept on sitting, and it was grandmother who somehow came on time and saved Toto, or else Toto would have boiled himself alive. So you have to narrate that incident. But always remember, whatever you are writing, your words should be within the limitation. Don't cross the limitation. Next, question number 5. Why does the author say Toto was not the sort of pet we could keep for long? So why Toto was not that sort of pet whom they can keep for long? Because of that reason that Toto was so much mischievous in nature. He was so naughty, he was so mischievous, and he used to disturb everyone. He used to cause lot of damages to the furniture as well as the properties. Okay, like dish, clothes, curtains, everything he used to destroy and spoil. And as because they were not that much rich, the narrator's family was not that much rich to afford the loss of such expensive things on daily basis. Therefore they thought that Toto was not that sort of pet they could keep for long. Explain about the mischief part, explain about the destruction part, also mention that they were not rich enough to afford those losses and therefore they thought like that. This will be the answer. Now you write down some of the insight questions that I will be giving you. Okay, write down insight question number 1. What was the amount of money grandfather had to pay to the Tonga driver to buy Toto? What was the amount of money grandfather had to pay to the Tonga driver for buying Toto? With that, sub part of the sub question, what was the amount of money grandfather took to sell the monkey to the Tonga driver again? Means buying and selling price you have to write. Next, question number 2, why grandfather felt Toto looked so out of place there? Why grandfather felt Toto looked so out of place there? Next, question number 3. Question number 3, you have to mention that how Toto's tail served him as a third hand. How Toto's tail served him as a third hand. How Toto's tail served him as a third hand. Next, question number 4. Why Toto's presence was kept secret from grandmother? Why Toto's presence was kept secret from grandmother? Why Toto's presence was kept secret from grandmother? Next, question number 5. What was grandfather's reaction? What was grandfather's reaction to the mischievous activities? What was grandfather's reaction to the mischievous activities of Toto? What was grandfather's reaction to the mischievous activities of Toto? Okay, next you write, why the ticket collector did not charge for the tortoise? Why the ticket collector did not charge for the tortoise? Okay, so for this few question, let me tell you what you are going to write. So about the amount of buying and selling Toto. So grandfather bought Toto for a sum of 5 rupees and grandfather sold Toto for a sum of 3 rupees. Okay. Next is why he looked quite out of place. Now why he looked quite out of place? Because Toto was a monkey by nature and he was tied up to a feeding trough, which was against his nature, because as a monkey is supposed to jump and play around and be active all the time. But in that condition, the monkey was not able to do any of it. Therefore, grandfather felt he was quite out of place. Next, we are going to describe about his tail being a third hand. Next, you are going to say about his tail being a third hand, because he could use it to hang from a branch. It was capable of scooping up any delicacy that might be out of reach of his hands. Okay, this point you are writing. Next, why it was kept as a secret? Why it was Toto's presence was kept a secret from grandmother? Because grandmother used to always fused when grandfather brought home some new birds or animal. The very first line of this part. Next, what was grandfather's reaction to Toto's mischievous activities? Here you mentioned that grandfather was actually very pleased as well as impressed. Grandfather was very pleased and impressed with Toto's mischievous activities in the beginning, and he felt that the monkey was very intelligent. He felt that the monkey was very intelligent and smart. But later on, when his mischievous activities went out of hand, at that time grandfather was forced, or grandfather was forced to send back Toto to its original owner, that is the Tonga driver. Okay. So in the beginning he was liking, but in the end he was not able to tolerate anymore. Next, why the ticket collector did not charge anything for the tortoise? Because of his size. The tortoise was so small that the ticket collector ignored it and did not charge any fine for it, just because of the size. Next question, you write down. Next question, why Toto and Nana never became friends? Why Toto and Nana never became friends? Why? Here you can write the answer, that you have to write about that incident, that the first night when Toto had to share the stable with the family donkey Nana, Toto misbehaved with the donkey. What he did, he bite the donkey's ear very strongly, and the donkey was suffering. Due to that, the donkey suffered a lot that night for his activities. Therefore, they never became friends thereafter. That's all. Okay, next question you can write. What was Toto's mischief? What was Toto's mischief with the narrator's aunts? What was Toto's mischief with the narrator's aunts? AUNTS. What was Toto's mischief with the narrator's aunt? Achha, you do one thing, those who have missed to hear whatever I have said, you just follow the video of this class in YouTube, you will get the answer, because I have forgotten which was number 3 and which was number 5. Okay. So just follow the video back again in YouTube, you will get. Achha, for this question, For this question, the answer will be that whenever one of his aunts, whenever one of the narrator's aunt used to come near him, he made every effort to get hold of her dress and tear a hole in it. He used to tear the dress and make a hole in it. That was his mischief. And then if I tell another question, that is, describe the pulao incident. Describe Toto's pulao incident. So here you have to describe the entire thing that happened during that pulao. How Toto was eating the pulao and how he took the plate of pulao and went out of the window and sitting on the branch of a tree. And then after finishing, he just, in order to take revenge on grandmother, he dropped the plate from the top. So that you have to mention. The next question, the last question was, how much loss grandfather had to face because of Toto? How much loss grandfather had to face because of Toto? How much loss grandfather had to face because of Toto? So here you will write, first you will write that grandfather had a loss of 2 rupees because he bought Toto for 5 rupees but sold him back for 3 rupees. Thereby he made a loss of 2 rupees there for this buying and selling process. Next, in Saharanpur, in front of the ticket collector, he had a loss of 3 rupees as a fine for Toto. Okay. Next, you have to include the several uncountable loss of the dishes, clothes, curtains and wallpaper that Toto destroyed or spoiled. So those were also included as the losses which were uncountable. Okay, so these are overall all the losses made by Toto. And these are good enough questions from this chapter. So just prepare it, and I am trying to send you the link in the e-portal. So after you finish your question answers, means after you finish your writing by your own word, you can upload it in that link. I will send it to you very soon. I'm still trying, but I'm facing still some difficulties there. Okay, so this class has been recorded and the recorded video will be uploaded shortly in YouTube. So check that class. So here I'm ending my class. So see you again with another chapter, discussion of the question answer of another chapter in my next day class. Till then, bye bye.